If you're trying to unlink Steam from Social Club, there's one very important thing you need to know right away. Rockstar does not give you a simple unlink button inside your account settings. So unlike other platforms, this process is not something you can do in a few clicks. It has to be handled manually by Rockstar Support, and there are some serious warnings before you begin. If this video helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick tutorials like this. Now let's walk through it step by step. First, understand the warning. Rockstar has a very strict unlinking policy, and this is where a lot of people get caught off guard. If you unlink your Steam account, you can lose the ability to play Rockstar games on that Steam account. That means even if you connect it to a different Social Club account later, the game licenses tied to that Steam account may no longer work the way you expect. On top of that, your online progress can be wiped. That includes characters, items, and saved data from games like GTA Online or Red Dead Online. In many cases, that progress cannot be recovered or transferred. So before you submit to anything, make sure this is really what you want to do. Rockstar usually only approves unlink requests in special cases, especially if you linked the wrong account by accident and you have little to no playtime. So if you're trying to unlink for convenience, there's a good chance support may not approve it. Keep that in mind before you continue. Now, if you still want to move forward, the next step is to open the Rockstar Support request page in your browser. Once you're there, sign in using the Social Club account that is currently linked to Steam. This is very important because the request has to come from the account that is connected right now. If you sign into the wrong account, the support team may not be able to process your ticket. After you're signed in, you'll need to create a support request. In the description box, write a clear message saying that you would like to unlink your Steam account from your Social Club account. Keep it simple and direct. You do not need to write a long explanation unless support asks for more detail later. The clearer your message is, the easier it is for the support team to understand your request. Next, you need to provide your SteamID. To find it, open Steam, go to your profile, then select Account Details. Your SteamID 64 is the 17-digit number associated with your account. Copy that carefully and include it in the ticket. This helps Rockstar identify the exact Steam account you want removed. Double check the number before submitting because one wrong digit can delay the entire process. Once everything is filled out, submit the ticket. After that, you'll usually need to wait for Rockstar Support to respond by email. In many cases, they reply within 24 hours, but sometimes it can take a little longer depending on their support queue. When they get back to you, they'll usually ask you to confirm that you understand the consequences of unlinking. This is the verification step, and it matters a lot. You will need to reply to their email and confirm that you understand you may lose access to your games and that your progress may be permanently deleted. This is basically Rockstar making sure you know what you're agreeing to before they complete the request. If you do not reply, the process will not move forward, so make sure you check your inbox and respond as soon as possible. And that's the full process for unlinking Steam from Social Club. There's no self-service unlink button, so the only real path is submitting a support ticket, providing your SteamID, and confirming the warning when Rockstar replies. If you were able to follow along, hit the like button, subscribe for more step-by-step tutorials, and I'll see you in the next video.